What's up guys, Tank&Tyler Flips here. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Subscribers suggested that we do a day in the life video, so that's pretty much what we're doing today. Earlier, I texted this person for this couch at 11:25. I said 150 cash, can pick up today. And they said the price was firm. I talked them down to 280. We picked it up today. It's a really good couch. There's no stains, rips. All we gotta do is clean it, and it should, we should get a good flip out of this. And over here, I texted a woman last night. I told her 300 cash, can pick up tomorrow. She said 400 and it's yours. I said, was there any rips or tears? She said no, it was in excellent condition. This is a really nice couch. The retail price on it is $2,600. So I think we can get a really good flip on both of these sectionals. In total, we spent $680. We're gonna try to sell this one for
probably about 1,200.
Yeah, and just let someone
1,300. Let people talk us down on it.
And on this one, I think we're probably gonna try to sell it for about 800. I feel like that'd be a pretty good price. Right now, we're about to clean both of these sectionals. The good thing about both of these sectionals, they have these zippers, and we can just unzip them and put them in a washer. We're gonna try to get them clean and post them tomorrow.
All right, guys. Right now, we got the couches done. They're all clean. And we just gotta put the covers and stuff inside the washer. And yeah. All right, guys, so it's now the next day and we got the couch all clean. We're probably gonna post this couch on there for $750 and then let people talk us down. And only say that because this is a 2-seater sectional and we never sold a 2-seater sectional for more. Have we ever sold a 2-seater?
Yeah, we have. We sold one for $650.
$650. So yeah, I don't know. We should be able to get $750. So right now we're gonna take pictures of the sectional and get it all up on Marketplace and then give you guys a close-up of how the sectional looks. All right, guys, so now we have this gray sectional out here. It actually came pretty clean besides the dog hairs that just refused to come out. We did it with like a turbo vacuum and we did the lint rollers, but some hairs came out. Like over here was pretty bad. So we're just gonna put this on here for $1,300. That completes day 2 of couch flipping. We have a couple of people right now that we're testing about sectionals. So our goal is to get 2 sectionals a day.
What's up guys, it is now the next day and right now we're about to sell this sectional right here for $700. Again, a really good profit on it. I do have a few people testing me about this one, so I'm just waiting to sell this one. It is now the next day and we had someone look at this couch yesterday and they're gonna buy it today for $930, so we can go ahead and get it strapped up and delivered and pick up the cash.
What's up guys, so we just picked up this couch for $250. We just actually had another sectional like this. And yeah, we got another one, so there's a little bit dog hair on it. You gotta get that off. Other than that, it's really in perfect condition. No flaws or anything. Whenever we get back home, we're gonna show you guys everything on the sectional, set it out so you guys can see the full thing. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we got this couch all clean. There is a couple spots over there did not come out, like right here. I don't know what that is. And there's a couple white spots on both sides of the armrest that did not come out. And also on the back, still a lot of dog hair right here. And they were all on the pillows, but we're still gonna probably try to get them out. So this is our second couch that we had like this, but we're probably gonna try to sell this couch for $900 because it has so much dog hair on it. So yeah, right now we're just gonna take pictures of the couch and list it on Marketplace.
All right guys, it is now the next day. I have this sectional out here. Someone's about to pick it up for $800 and we're gonna profit $600. So that's a really good profit. All right guys, it is now the next day. We just picked up this sectional for $350. We're about to go pick up another one for $400. Right now we're about to unload this one and put it in the garage, and I'll get back with you guys whenever we're about to clean it. We just got back from OKC picking up this couch. It's a really nice couch. We got it for $400. And we got two couches in one day, which is really good. The thing that I like about this couch is they're unzippable. These right here, unzippable, can be in the washing machine. The pillows are even unzippable. Like the last couch that we had, it wasn't. There's no kind in there, which is good for cleaning. And that one is the same. This one's a really nice couch. There is some flaws to it. I mean, there's a couple stains on it, but nothing too major. These are all unzippable too. So we're gonna put them all in the washer and get to.
We just finished cleaning the spots on the couch. Right now we're about to move on to this one. It does have like some dirt on it. So we're probably gonna clean this whole thing just so it can look brand new, and that way we could price it on Marketplace at top dollar. So we put the camera back up to show you guys the final result of these couches. And this couch back here was the dirtiest. It actually came pretty clean. We just did a spot clean on the ottoman. And yeah, that's it for that couch. And on this couch, we did the spot clean. A lot of the dirt spots came out. Tomorrow in the morning, we're gonna stage the couches and post the couches on Marketplace. I'm thinking we're gonna sell this one right here for probably $950 because we only bought it for $400. So that's like, what, $550 profits. We get a pretty good price out of this. And then this one back here, this couch, what's the retail price on it?
$3,300.
$3,300. So we're probably gonna try to post this one for about $1,500, somewhere in that range, just because it is an expensive couch, and this has no tears, no stains on it. Now that we cleaned it, it wasn't really stains, it was like dirt spots and whatnot. But yeah, it's basically a brand new couch now. So yeah, we catch you guys in the morning. Guys, it is the next day and we got this couch out here. It's all clean now. We got our stains off. No more, like, there's a couple dirt spots, but like they're small. You could barely see them. This is the cleanest that we could get the couch. We're gonna post this couch on Marketplace for how much you want to say? $950?
Yeah.
We're gonna post this couch on Marketplace for $950. We're gonna get it all staged, and then we're gonna post on Marketplace.
Here on it, but we're gonna get that drill, and then we have a better extractor coming in tomorrow.
Yep, it should
be tomorrow. It should get all these things out, and it should be looking a lot better. We're gonna show you guys the cleaning process of this couch because it'd be pretty satisfying. We just sold that beige sectional for $1,000. Just got this better extractor, and we're about to start up some new side hustles. So this should be pretty good. It is a lot better than that Bissell. Like, the suction power on it is way better. It just cleans better and all. Like, so basically what we're doing is we're gonna hook it up to our shop vac, and this shop vac has 6 horsepower. And I think the Bissells have like, what, 2 horsepower? So
Something
this
like
is
that.
a lot better. You want to get this?
I think there should be a card or something in here. Just go to the website. What is the website?
It's ripclean.com, or you can look up his TikTok. It's Better Extractor.
All right, guys, so now we got this couch all clean. As y'all can tell by the before and after pictures, this couch is way dirtier. We ordered this fabric shaver off of Amazon, and let me just show you guys how it works. What you want to do is, as y'all can see, this is right here, right? This little fabric, right? Literally just see that? Like this, please swatch. You know, it just makes it look way better. So yeah, we got that off of Amazon for like how much money?
23.
Now I recommend you guys getting that if you got like a couch with a lot of little fuzz balls on or whatnot. And then we ordered this chemical, guys, like spray pump for the couch for agitating and whatnot. This makes the process way better. So yeah, we kind of don't want to keep giving you guys the same videos on couch flipping. We got a lot of side hustles that we're trying to get off the ground right now, so we're just trying to figure out which one we want to do. So yeah, tomorrow in the morning, we're going to stage this couch and we're going to post on Marketplace for $800 and just see if somebody texts us about it. Just an hour ago, we went and picked up this couch right here. Well, it's a couch that this is not going to be part of this video. We're just going to end this video right here. So this couch really don't matter. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe.